Okay, just see that. First, what I'm going to take in parallel in. Parallel in is nothing but what? So, what is the statement I can use? Directly, I can use Q is equal to D. This program combined with, so parallel in serial output. Serial output, where is that serial output? It is a parallel out, and you have taken a last program that is serial in serial output. I'm going to use serial output. This concept. These two concept I'm going to combine. I'm going to write the program. See, here it is. That's why I'm going to explain when come to theory. So parallel in serial output means this is the circuit diagram of what I explained when come to theory. Here just you consider this is a D3, D2, D1, D0. According to that one I'm going to take on here. What is the parallel in serial output? Parallel in means in the if I'm going to take on one of the input here according to this I'm taken as a mode. Instead of shift and load I taken as a mode. If mode value is 1, the values are loaded to my flip-flops. So Q3, Q2, Q1, Q0, it will be loaded of some value. What is the value I'm going to take in here? It is 1001 I'm going to take in here. Next, if I make my mode value to 0, the value should be shifted. So shifted and I need to get the output across final things. Okay. So this is my intention. See, remember, if mode value is 1, I want to load value is 1001. Next, if mode value is 0 means I want to shift the values right side. That is what explaining this one. Then how to do the modification in my program? So I already having the program of serial output. Then I need to add only parallel in program. How to add? This is my block diagram. Just see that. I'm going to take on one extra part. It is mode. See that? So I'll go for here only. I'll just make it as a parallel, not serial output. Just I'm changing to parallel in. Just it is a parallel in. So what is the inputs you have in this block diagram? You have a mode, clock and D. D it is a vector now again because parallel in means I need to consider 4 inputs. So that's why. So you have a parallel in serial output. I have a clock definitely. SI is not there. D is there. If D is there means use it for the parallel. Okay, next clock D and I'm going to take on one more input. Let's take a mode and next it is a serial output. I'm going to use a S0. That's why see D clock mode and S0 and D I'm going to take as a 4 bits because parallel in and but serial output that's why I'm going to take a single bit of my output S0. Yeah, I'll take D as a vector. Okay, let's see. First input is a clock, input it is a D single bit only, not an issue. Okay, not here. D is a vector 3 down to 0 because of just like it's a parallel in program what we done, right? Same thing only 3 down to 0. D output is S0 and here I'm looking for S0 but I'm not taken a Q here, but I want again I need to define because internally how data it is moving. Same thing should be there. We are not going to change anything. Only condition this one mode it is 1. I need to load this value. For that case what I'll do small modification before shifting. This is a shifting operation. Before going to that, so just I'll go one statement. If mode it is, if mode I'll just take if mode, nothing but if mode value it is 1, what I need to do, I want to load some values, right? I want to load some value, right? If mode value is 1, I want to load value. What is the value you have? 1001. So right now 1001 where I'm going to take on my input D. D it is having that value. So that's why if mode it is 1, just I'll write one statement. Q it is my output, loaded the value of D. That's all. In the test bench program, I'll give the value of D. From there, directly I can get it from this. Clear? If mode it is equal to 1, then Q loaded value is D. Else, you need to do the shifting operation, normal shifting operation. Else, you do the shifting operations normally. So because of many statement in else, we can use a begin and end. Again, one more begin I need to use. And here I need to use one more end. That's all. If mode it is 1, all my D value to Q means D of 3 to Q of 3, D of 2 to Q of 1, Q of 2, similarly D of 0 to Q of 0. This process same thing. Else begin normal shifting process only what we are doing. What will do? It will shifted the values of right side. But here while shifting, be careful. I don't have a SI now. I'm not having SI as an input. Then what I'm going to do? I'll take the value here. It is 1 bit of information. After shifting, you can see that. So here it is the values I'm not taken as a dummy values. If you want taken a 1 or 0 your wish. For that, I'm going to take on one dummy value, that is x only. I'll take one tick of binary. X only need to shift. See that? First, one tick of B, X value to load it to Q3. Next, Q of 3 to Q of 2, Q of 2 to Q1, Q1 to Q0. That is only it is happening. That is only it is shifting right side. That is only my intention. Okay. So just I'll take these values. Just check it out. Check syntax. Only modification previous and here added mode value. That's all. It's not coming. Just use save and make sure that previous program should be closed. Waveforms. Okay. So check syntax. Errors is there, just check it out. Mode. Okay. Ah, mod same thing only I'm taken. Yeah, I'm not defining here, right? What is the mode? You need to define this one. Mode. It's an input. Okay. So no error means just go to simulation. I want to write new test bench program for this. So let's remove this previous one. Just remove for CISO. Just only PISO I'm going to write the program. That test bench I need to write. Just right click here, new source, Verilog text pictures. So I'll give a PISO underscore test. I'll give. So just give next, finish it. So how to write the program? So clock initially it is over. See, when come to parallel in serial output, what is the initial Q value? I already defined in this program. So if you want, you can take it out. So in this main program, I already defined the value, it is Q value it is 0. That is over. Next thing, I want to do parallel in. So mode value is 1 means I want to load value of 1001. For that, I want to define the D values. D I'm going to take it here. So that's why first, and come to here it is so many we have, right? It's PISO. Yeah. So what I'll do, I'm going to make my D value initially 4 tick of binary. Value it is 1001. You do this. And when it is happen, mode it is 1. I'm going to initial condition. I want to take mode it is 1 and D value it is 1001. That is only my intention, right? The first line you can see that. After that, after some time, what you need to do, you need to change mode value to 0, then only it will be shifting. Then I can do some modification. Clock initially it is 0. Okay, so I'm going to remove this. Mode it is 1, load the value of 1001. Okay, after some time, okay, I'll give some hash 10 second, I'll give hash 10 second. So I'm going to make my mode value to 0. Mode value here it is 0. Again 0. And next you have a end. That's all. Mode value to 0 means shifted. And it is a parallel in. Parallel in, I'm going to write this, and serial output it will be shifted when I'm going to make mode it is equal to 0. Then one more statement it is missing. I want to write the for clock. How to write? Same thing. Always hash 5 second. Clock should be, it is tilt of clock. Same thing, just save it. Just save it. Okay. Just go to behavioral check syntax. Something it is missing. Just check it out. Mode it is not declaration type. Spelling. Just see MODE. Next, I'll go to for simulate behavioral module. Simulate behavioral module. Okay. Yeah. Just take it outside. Zoom in, and waveform. You just take it out. Just give a zoom. Next here it is. I'll take the clock here. Mode. D S0. Just see that what is the value I'm going to take, and it is 1001. So here first clock signal I'm going to take mode, it is 1, means the load value should be coming here, but instantly it's not coming. So parallel in I'm doing, parallel out means complete waveform you need to get, but it is serial output. Serial output means first I'll get the first bit out, I'll get the value, it is 1, the first clock signal. Next I'll go for the second clock signal, I'll get the value to 0. Next clock signal I'll get the value to 0. Next clock signal I'm getting 1. That's all. 1001 I'm getting. Next it is remaining part, it is just taken as a x only. I'm not going to get anything. Here carefully observe that serial out means only one bit coming out. Parallel out means complete this 100 only, it will come out in the one clock signal only.